we got a nice Corvair Monza 1969 convertible. I always liked these cars, man. I'm just surprised they should have took off a lot more than they did. They should have kept making them. Ralph Nader didn't know what the hell he was talking about, to tell you the truth. I mean, I guess, you know, the swing arm rear, they would have adjusted that with sort of like instead of having like one U-joint, they have two U-joints in each axle, so the rear wheel would stay flatter. That would be the only difference you really need to do. Air-cooled motor. They picked on this car, but they didn't pick on the VW Beetle, right? Interesting. And I think this car has more styling than a VW Carmen Ghia, and more go power, more room, bigger trunk in it, and the front's the trunk. I mean, I don't know. It's crazy. It didn't sell. Ralph Nader ruined it. Beautiful. I mean, the interior's a lot nicer and everything. But they didn't pick on VW, right? So why was that, right? Ralph Nader's a hippie. That's what I say.